Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a poll on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you already logged in or signed in with the account that you use for daily or you want to use for. And after that, you just need to stay in the home sections and just slide your screen into the right side, or you can also easily click this plus button to access the photo library of your phone. And after that, you just need to choose the picture that you want to create, and after that, to create a poll, you just need to go click this symbols and go click this poll features. And now we just need to start the questions. So let's say and now we just need to prepare in the options. And after that, you just need to go click done. And now you can adjusting the position as well as the size by pinch with two of your finger and drag it into the specific position that you want to have. And whenever you're done adjusting everything, you just need to go click your story, and you just need to wait until your story is successfully uploaded into your account. So that's the way how to create poll on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.